Bonfire Night, also known as Guy Fawkes Night, is celebrated in the UK on November 5 each year. Its origins date back to 1605 when Guy Fawkes and his accomplices attempted to blow up the Houses of Parliament to protest against the government. Their plot failed, and Fawkes was captured. To celebrate the king's survival, people lit bonfires. Today, families gather to enjoy fireworks, roast marshmallows, and watch bonfires, all while remembering the historical events. It's a night of fun and community spirit, rooted in a significant moment in British history.